Good morning. Is everyone excited? Great. My name is Atto Garrett, and I'm the Senior Vice President and Head of Investor Relations at Nasdaq. It is with immense pride that I welcome Blacks at Microsoft Employee Resource Group and the students of BAM's annual New York 2024 Summer Mentorship Program to the Nasdaq market site for today's opening bell ceremony. BAM is a community within Microsoft dedicated to supporting the company's Black and African American employees through a series of initiatives including networking opportunities, mentorship, professional development, and advocacy. BAM plays a critical role in fostering an inclusive workplace at Microsoft and was a huge inspiration to one of our own employee resource groups at Nasdaq, Globe. Mentorship is the cornerstone of BAM's mission, a guiding light that empowers employees to navigate the professional landscape with confidence and purpose. The annual BAM Summer Mentorship Program stands as a testament to the transformative power of mentorship. This program is more than a gateway to careers in information technology, financial tech, marketing, and other exciting paths. It's a fellowship that instills the values of teamwork, professional growth, and the pursuit of excellence. To share more about the program, please join me in welcoming Alfred Ojukwu and Alexandra Miller-Brown.
Good morning, and thank you, Nasdaq, for partners here at Globe, with the Globe team. We are truly honored to be here today and would like to express our gratitude for the incredible opportunity to open the Nasdaq market. This moment holds significance for the community of students we are dedicated to empowering. It is an opportunity to share the impact a strong education can have on their personal growth and development. Our Blacks at Microsoft Employee Resource Group, affectionately known as BAM, has been running the Summer Mentorship Program for a little more than 9 years now in the tri-state area. This 6-week program is designed to expose underrepresented students from New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut to the tech industry. This past summer, we had the privilege of working with 30 vibrant students, including 6 program alumni who returned as peer mentors. Throughout the program, these students participated in various workshops focused on leadership, wellness, personal branding, program delivery, and many other projects led by numerous Microsoft employees, including our partners, Love Mentoring. Most importantly, they were able to hone both their coding abilities and essential soft skills to prepare them for future endeavors in the career journey.
In addition to their rigorous curriculum, our students have had the unique opportunity to visit various tech companies, including Google, Etsy, Chase, BSC, Samsung, and here at Nasdaq. These experiences have given them a comprehensive view of the tech and corporate industry, instilling each student with the formula to build their success in life. As we enter the final week of the program, our students will be presenting their final projects tomorrow using AI and technology for good, delivering innovative solutions designed to help society through the power of AI. We are grateful for the opportunity to support our youth in their personal growth and development, and we look forward to continuing our partnership with Nasdaq's Globe and Microsoft's BAM while building strategic programs that inspire and equip the next generation of tech leaders. Thank you once again for this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
It's my great honor and privilege to present you on behalf of Nasdaq with this opening bell crystal. Thank you for reaching this and sharing this important milestone with us and everyone watching abroad.
Perfect.